Hello, I'm Smithy, as I'm sure you're aware. This is a Contiki, which I've shown you many times, and I've got my prop room, right? So we've got some good news and some bad news, and I would never start a video by saying I haven't been anywhere, I've got nothing to film. None of us have been anywhere, so none of us have got anything to film. But hey, I'll just make it up as I go along. So I'd just like to get this out there, that there is absolutely nothing in this van of any value, ever. Right, I take it out. If you ever come into the van, you probably get a few pans or some cups or some coffee. That's it. What, you're going to get a hat? You know, you might be able to steal a pan or a tub of water or some coffee. That's it. I never leave anything in this van. I don't leave my metal detectors in here. I don't leave the drone, the cameras, the GoPro. I don't leave anything in the van whatsoever. So what these two were up to is anybody's guess. So we've had a bit of fun on TikTok, and the only thing is I can show you what I've been doing, but I can't play the music that I played with it because obviously, you know, you get a strike with YouTube for it. But this is what I've been up to. Now remember what I've always said, life is for having fun, and that's what I'm having fun, that's what I'm doing. We've got some good news and some bad news. So we'll deal with the good news first and then the bad news. I would never start a video by saying, oh, I haven't got anything to film, I haven't been anywhere. None of us have been anywhere. So anyway, I am arranging a night out with a few mates and their vans, so that'll be coming up soon. Right, so we've got a letter. Let me, can't see anything without them. So it's to me, and it's from CV TV. It's from a mate of mine, it's called Stephen, and he has Country Van Life TV. And, oh, I've got two stickers, Stephen. Country Van Life TV. He's got a van, he calls it Christine, believe it or not. I call mine Smithy's Contiki, and people say, what do you call your van? Well, it's my van, so I call it Smithy's van. Smithy's Contiki, because it's a Contiki. Living the dream. Right, Stephen, I like that one more than that. So that one, I'm going to put on here. And I've been saving these for a reason, because I have a box that I might put on the back of the van, and I've got Chunky Monkeys and a few other people's extra stickers where they've sent me two that might go on that box. Thank you Simon and Sue for the swaps. Keep up the great videos. You too, Stephen. Hey, I'm enjoying your videos, so let's get you on the sticker wall, Stephen. If I can peel you off. There we go. I like that, CCTV. So I'll put you underneath Chunky Monkeys, near Posh Cats Camping and Worm's Eye View, Pippa. There you go. How's that? So there's my sticker wall. It's still me. Right, so what else have we got? Crafty Caravanners. You've been spoiling me over the last few weeks, to be fair, and I couldn't wait to open it, so I opened it already, although usually I open them on camera, but this one I opened it straight away. Oh, you're alright, her husband did message me and say there could be a card in there. There is a card in there. What you've sent me, I'll leave that on. Axe to grind. That is Liam the Terrible's coffee. Now I did buy some of Liam's coffee and I got the middle blend, so there's a weak one, a middle one and a strong one. So I think the way Liam says it, as I watched it, was the weak one was for at night time. You know, you don't have a strong coffee going to bed. The axe to grind was the middle one, and then obviously the other one was to wake you up in the morning. Or this one was to wake you up in the morning. 100% Arabica specialty, blended with smooth, rich something. I've put your sticker over what it says, so I can't read it. But anyway, let's read the card. It could be a personal card, so if it is, I'm not reading it to you, but what can I say? Thank you. And I know that coffee is not cheap, and it's not cheap to post it either. But yeah, it is nice coffee. The other one, I felt it was a bit weak, the middle one, for me, because I do like a good coffee. Sue likes, you know, Maxwell House and stuff like that. How do I open the card? Oh, there. Handmade by Crafty Caravanners. Look at that. Crafty caravanners, if you don't know, they go mudlarking and all kinds of stuff. It's a hobby, you know, and I've always said this. You get your van, you go and park your van, like Mr. Daz P1. I'm sorry for your loss, Darren. I know it's hard work, mate. You got your van, you park up, and then you go and do your hobby, which Mr. Daz P1, he goes gold panning all the time with his caravan. I don't know if he's going to get a camper, but he goes... he's got a caravan. He goes gold panning all over Scotland and Wales and everywhere. That's the idea of your van. You get your van, you go out and then you do your hobby. You don't just get your van, sit in it and do nothing. You know, Trevor, Postcats Camping, they love walking and seeing new sights, and that's what the van's for. It's to get them to go and fulfil whatever they want to do. Anyway. Hi Simon, just a quick note. We bought this coffee from the guy you recommended. Didn't realise it was already ground. Well, there you are, you see. Thought it was coffee beans, so right, okay then, fair enough. We should have checked. Let me put your card there. So yeah, the thing is, like you, I've got this. So in one of my videos I bought that, didn't I? You know, for grinding coffee. So you thought that was to grind, so obviously it's already ground. So you like the fresh ground stuff, which is why I bought that. We were on the hunt for a good coffee, weren't we? That hunt is going to start again, believe it or not, because we do need to find a good coffee. Having said that, I will definitely try Liam's. I might not try it in this video, but I'm going to try Liam's. And I did try the middle one. This is the Brazil, El Salvador, India. That's a lot of countries, isn't it? Anyway, West Yorkshire, which is about a stone's throw from here, to be fair. I actually live on the border with 3 counties, Lancashire, Cumbria and Yorkshire. So if you don't understand the English accent that I've got, because YouTube keep putting subtitles on it, that's why. It's because I've got a bit of Yorkshire twang, Cumbria twang and Lancashire twang. And I've got all the lot. Hey, thank you, Crafty Caravanners. No, it doesn't have my name on, so... Well, it won't matter if it is, I'm called Simon. Right, so... Was there anything else in there? No. So she did leave me a note, buddy. Right, the bad news. So the bad news, let's just put this in the cupboard, then we've got it. Right, the bad news. And I did say there was some bad news. Good. This is the second time I've tried, and I'm not going to try again, right? So anyway, I'll show you. I'm not going to try again. So, now bearing in mind I've told you that that is my prop room. You don't see that. That's all my props on there. Anyway, so I bought this, right? Ridge Monkey. Now I bought one, got delivered, tried it out, and where the handle goes onto the actual pans, right, 2 handles, and the button was missing. So I thought, well, how can I connect it onto it? So anyway, I sent it back. Fair play to Amazon. As soon as you take it to the shop to be sent back, as the minute they get it in the shop, they put the money straight in my bank. So I thought, right, I still want one, so I ordered another one. That's what they sent me. I'm not kidding. This is the reason why I'm not going to try again. This is the bad news. Are you listening, Ridge Monkey? Because I've opened this, I've looked at it, and I thought, well, that's ridiculous. I don't know if you can see it. That's my hand, right? As soon as I took it out, I thought, what's that? I'm not going to even attempt to show you everything, but let's just get it all out. Now, I'm not being funny, right, but that would not even get a slice of bread in it. It's supposed to be a sandwich toaster from Ridge Monkey, right? All I wanted was a Ridge Monkey. The reason for it was because you can split the pans up somehow. Right, you can have 2 pans to cook on. You can put them together somehow. Yeah, there. You can cook your food. You can flip it over. I could not even get a piece of bread in that. Why would Ridge Monkey make that? Who's it for? Who are you feeding with that? A 4-year-old? Do you know what I might do with that? I might give it away to one of you, because for me that is absolutely useless. How can I cook a meal for me and Sue in that? Why not say this is the smallest thing we do? It's like Wish, innit? And I made a video saying Wish should be called I Wish, because what you're going to get is not what you want. You know, I can't even be bothered with it. I might as well just bin it. What I'll do one day, I'll have a competition, but I'll be on the road. And I'll say, right, I'm at such and such at so-and-so time. Whoever wins it can meet me and I'll give it to you. How does that grab you? Because that's ridiculous. I don't even know why they would bother. Fancy box, all beautiful, great. Why don't they put a bloke's hand in front of it and say, oh, this is the ridge monkey, by the way. Do you know what? I could probably cook a few shrimps in it and that's it. Although I do like Morecambe Bay shrimp, so I'm not going to try again with ridge monkey. I've tried twice. The first one that I got sent, not from ridge monkey, some other daft company. They sent it, the handle won't fit on, the button was missing to lock it in. So that was useless. So I sent that back, they paid me the money straight away and I got another one. And that's what I got. It's, you know, as soon as I took it out I thought, what's that? A kid's thing. So I don't know what to do with it. I'm not going to try again with a ridge monkey, I've had enough. So I'll stick to my frying pan. And I don't know who it is keeps messaging me, but I'll stick to my frying pan with a plastic spatula. Good. Right, so when I make my next video, we'll have a coffee. We'll try the axe to grind. I just wanted to get a video out. I haven't done one for over a week, so I thought, there you go. We'll open a few things. We've got Stephen's sticker on the wall. Go check him out. He's check Crafty Caravans out as well. So Stephen's living the dream, aren't we all? We're all trying to. I keep wearing hats. I don't know if you've noticed. I've tried 3 on in this session because my hair is an absolute disgrace. Look at the state of that. I've got the thing up there to have it cut, but Sue's at work all the time, so it's not unfair to ask her to cut my hair, you know, when she finishes work. So I'm having to put up with it. But I think the barbers are starting to open now, so I might go to the barbers and have it done there. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Good news and bad news. Ridge monkey, you can forget it. I'm not trying again. I've had enough. I'll put it back in the bag. So I might give that to one of you if anybody wants it. You know, if you're on your own. But rather than post it out, because we're going to be out and about, you can meet me somewhere and I'll give it you. Right, so there you are. That's Smithy's bit of waffle. I don't know what to say. Oh, I found my arrow. We had a meal on this table and it had fallen down the back. Anyway, I thought, where's it gone? So I don't know if you watched the cooking I did, the steak next to the river. That's how I found the arrow. So I kept it there all that time. Right, so we're going to go. Hey, take care, stay safe, be lucky, and Smithy and his little Kentucky, I'll see you again. And hopefully we'll be out and about. Eh? I don't know if you can get out now, but it's Monday today. You can do more things than you could before. Crafty Caravanners, thank you. Stephen, thank you for your sticker, mate. It's up there. And I'm going to keep the other one because I've got a plan for them. Okay, right. I've already said stay safe and be lucky. What more can I say? Get a lottery ticket, you never know. See you later.